Iloilo with the possession. They are without Vic Manuel still, Joey Napoles and James Sena, which I believe is one of the best nicknames.
Oh, definitely.
Di ba?
Yeah. I just said that no Saturday. Because we had,
Talaga?
because we, in the second game, we had Cebuano Hotshot,
Oh yeah.
London Hontiveros, and El Granada so far in the MPBL. I don't think there's anyone close to it except
Favorite na talaga yan eh.
si Big Boy Hernandez. Nung dating tawag namin sa kanya. Hindi pwede sabihin.
Pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Just inside the arc, Levy Hernandez. Way off, Gabo. Ahead to Jonicio, dumps it down low to Kyle Tolentino to finish off that fast break. By Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Of the hockey assist by Hesed Gabo created the 2-on-1. Kyle finishing easily.
Jonicio setting up Kyle Tolentino, and the Jensen Warriors enjoy a 3-point lead. Iloilo.
Diba? And it's another to perform. And I thought last year he showed a lot of maturity to his games. Nawala na, no, yung mga extra stuff, you know, that with a no-nonsense coach also in Coach Elvis Tolentino, I thought was a big pickup for them, especially losing.
Despite Binyan making that fight back, and mukhang naging seamless yung transition niya here with the Jensen Warriors.
Right. What a rebound. si Fontanilla. Hindi ko masyado napapansin yun eh. Sabi ni Hesed at ni Kyle, simple lang daw kasi. Kaya ngayon, medyo naka-microscope. Nakapasok niya lang ngayon. Gusto ko makita kung paano niyang gawin.
Ang kapantayan niya ngayon si Kit Jimenez.
I might learn a thing or two. I gotta learn how to trash talk, especially to... And I say that because it's been such a long time since I last saw him. He was our high school player in Chiang Kai-shek.
Santos shot fake. Mark Cruz. Monton closing on him.
He's gonna shoot this.
Pull up jumper from the Adman is pure.
I could see it in his eyes already. Sa peripheral pala makikita mo na eh dahil yung depensa maluwag sa kanya nun.
Sumalakay. Binanda yung tres to beat the buzzer.